Welcome to the unique Orthrus Expert School system with Integratad affiliate program and live Forex trading system and more. Our objective. Our motto: create, prepare and secure for the future. We are a group of people who meet for the purpose of financial education and training. We learn together how to earn more money. Orthrus' mission is to educate its members about the world of finance so they can take advantage of the market, develop investment strategies and be proactive in the business. We monitor and assess global events that could have an impact on the various markets and develop investment strategies based on these. 1. Orthrus Expert Trading School. Why learn with us? Our trading courses are based solely on a professional framework and are constantly evolving based on consultations with the elite professional trading community of Orthrus community. Our trading courses are offered by our professional traders from our community. Trading is about making money in the markets and our courses show you how to do just that. In a safe, comprehensive, interactive, professional and practical way. Secure. Unlike some online schools, Orthrus Academy teaches you in an investment-free zone. You will only invest money in Forex trading when you are 100% comfortable and ready to enter the market. Comprehensive. We cover all the important topics in the Forex world, from the basics of technical analysis to trading psychology. So you are a truly educated trader. Interactive. With a combination of videos and quizzes, our interactive education platform keeps you on your toes to make sure you really know your stuff. Expert. Our academy was built by a creative, knowledgeable team of professional traders who handpick each topic and tweak each lesson until it is easy to understand for traders of all backgrounds. Practical. Our academy allows you to learn on your own schedule, so there is no pressure to move forward until you are fully ready. Our unique approach. Our trading courses are designed to be entirely collaborative and take into account the full contribution of our professional trading community around the world. We provide an environment where our new traders, with the help of our experienced traders as well as our various knowledge technologies, can model direct observation of the more experienced professional traders' behavior. Trade development is not learned through generic learning prototypes, such as teaching and learning, but through very specific observation and modeling. This unique approach ensures that our potential traders are fully trained in the latest and most relevant training on strategies, procedures and development techniques that keep our traders at their peak. To be a great trader, you need to be trained by great trainers and mentors who are profitable traders themselves. Money and risk management. Why do we emphasize the importance of money management and risk management in our courses? Money management is an important component of successful trading that many traders either ignore or simply do not fully understand. Speculative trading is inherently risky. There is a real and present danger that you will lose money on a particular trade you enter. Therefore, practicing proper money management is critical to long-term trading success. Money and risk management. Similar to risk management, effective Forex risk management allows Forex traders to minimize losses. Effective Forex risk management, Forex traders can minimize losses that arise from exchange rate fluctuations. Consequently, a proper Forex risk management plan can make for safer, more controlled and less stressful Forex trading. Apart from that, it is quite obvious that most traders do not practice proper money or risk management, as we all see the statistic that about 90% of traders do not make money in the market in the long run. This is not our style. We work out our attitude to risk, thinking about the risk-reward ratio, the position size and the percentage of the account balance for each trade. Private's online trading coaching. Available to anyone worldwide who wishes to join the course and receive private tuition. This is a great option for those who need that personal touch. You will have full access to our one-to-one tuition. You will be dealing with someone who is a real trader, not a commissioned salesperson, and that is what sets our course apart from most others out there. Our goal is to help you become an independent and successful trader. Private coaching can be online or on-site. Our coaches earn their living from Forex trading. They are active in the market and experts using our proprietary trading system. The first 5 training modules are about technical analysis. TA1 Market, its peculiarities and technical analysis. TA2 Trading, Costs and infrastructure. TA3 brokers choosing. TA4 trend identification. TA5 volatility and volume. The next 5 training modules are about risk management. RM1 Risk Management, RM2 Money Management, RM3 Trailing Stop, Break Even and Trailing Profit, RM4 Trading Psychology, RM5 Trading as Money Management. The last 5 training modules are about trading techniques and strategies. TS1 Trading Strategy 1, TS2 Trading Strategy 2, TS3 Trading Strategy 3, TS4 Trading Strategy 4, TS5 Conclusion. Price and product overview. All courses at fair installment prices with interesting bonuses and earning opportunities, as you can see on this page. 2. Deep Link Affiliate Program. The Deep Link Affiliate works vertically and dynamically. You have to imagine it like this. You are satisfied with the provider and recommend this provider to your friends and acquaintances. They now buy from the provider. Now, as a Deep Link referrer, you receive 2% of their sales on a bonus account. You have thus created the first deep link. If these friends or acquaintances in turn recommend the provider to their friends and acquaintances, and they buy from the provider, then they have created the first deep link, and for you it is the second deep link. Your friends receive 2% of the sales and you also receive 2%. It can go on like this. Everyone can go down to the 10th deep link. Deep Link Affiliate Program. Imagine that. Everyone who is recommended you directly recommends the company like you, and the next ones also recommend, so it goes deeper and deeper. You receive 2% of each deep link up to the 10th deep link, without exception or restriction. This Deep Link Affiliate we developed is the fairest and best paying system we know. This is how the Deep Link Affiliate works. You will receive a personalized link from us with which you can advertise to interested parties. You will receive a commission per course for each interested participant. You also participate in all the resulting recommendations up to a maximum of 10 levels. A 3-level matrix, the multi-dynamic matrix, was developed for this purpose, so that you also benefit from people who are assigned to you by the system without you knowing them. If 60 people have enrolled in your structure and completed the entire course, you will have your entire invested course fee credited back to you. This is a small thank you for your efforts. 3. Fun bonus. We want to give something back to all active course participants. You participate in the profit distribution of the professionally managed course fund in the amount of your course fees, which we book for you as bonus points, provided you complete at least 2/3 of the course. The initially quarterly distributions are distributed by all training participants in proportion to their bonus points. Should the profit volume grow strongly, we envisage a monthly distribution. The larger this fund becomes, the more additional income it generates for you and finances your wishes. 4. Live Account Recharge with its participation. We fund all of our graduates with the same amount as you fund your trading account to start. Profits are split 50% trader and 50% OETS, and you have access to our coaching team. You can view and book the available packages on the internet site oets.club. 5. Mirror or signal trading. For trading accounts, we can activate mirror trading on special request, i.e. a strategy that allows investors to copy the trades of experienced and successful investors. Its automated nature can help prevent investors from making emotion-based misjudgments. Because mirror trading determines when a trade is opened, closed or changed, it takes the stress out of making trading decisions. This is especially helpful for new investors who may find the market overwhelming at first. This is the OETS offer for you. Orthrus Expert Trading School. Deep Link Affiliate Program. Fund Bonus. Live Account Recharge with its participation. Mirror or signal trading. Thank you for your time. I hope you will start now your first steps with us.